Guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm at a place called the CIT Road, right? This is the main road here. And today I'm gonna try a very unique street food of Kolkata. It's Kolkata's bizarre street food, right? Let's go and explore and eat and show you guys as well. And if you dare to try this, you let me know in the comments. Yeah. So if you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, watch the vlog till the end to see Kolkata's bizarre street food here in a place called the CIT Road. Let's go, guys, and subscribe. Let's go. Right, guys, so here we are in a place called the Anandapali, right? Well, that brother said somewhere there we need to cross the road and go towards that brother and try Kolkata's unique bizarre street food which you find here on the street of Kolkata, right? So let's go, guys. Guys, this one is called the ghugni, right? It's made with all different parts of goats, right? Well, you see this huge pots of mutton parts, right? You get all the parts of mutton from the toe till the head, right? And this one is made with chickpeas as well as mutton's fat and all the different parts of mutton. Hello, Papi Dada, how are you?
How are you?
You're fine? Apni bhalo achen? So this is the ghugni, right? What is this?
Mutton, kaleji, mutton liver.
Look, guys, in this pot he has mutton's liver and mutton's fat, and here he has the mutton's brain, right? Ar ki ache eta dada? Paya. Oh, mutton's leg and as well as the brain, as you can see, is wrapped in that leaf, right? It's crazy, guys. And this one is the mutton's butt. It's the solid or the hard part of the mutton's stomach, right? So this brother sits right on the footpath here. That's the main road there, right? So he has mutton's stomach in that, and here in this one he has the mutton's leg as well as the brain, and this one he has the fat and all the different parts of mutton, right? It's crazy. So let's try and see and taste the bizarre food of Kolkata, right? And if you want to try this, you need to come to a place called the CIT Road, right? This is the main road here, and this brother sits here on the footpath like this. So it's crazy, guys.
কাস্টমার লক করা একটা বুগরি দুটো পুরো আর এটা 50 টাকা ঘুগনি দিয়ে সব কবিরা দুটো ঘুগনি দাও
Guys, that's the liver of the goat and the fat of the goat, right? So this is one of the unique and very bizarre street food of Kolkata. Look, guys. So guys, finally let's try the most bizarre street food here in the street of Kolkata, right? So I'm getting this, which is made with the chickpeas as well as different parts of mutton, right? Look, guys. Let's try this. Yeah, I need to find a spot to keep this. So I see an empty space here, so I'm gonna keep this and try this, right? Now let me get another one as well. Please give this one. Papi Dada, let's try this. Eta dao. The butt. Look, guys, so this is the hard part of the stomach of the goat, right? It's called the butt. Let's try this. The most bizarre street food of Kolkata, guys. Just Look at it. Oh my goodness. It's made with all different Indian spices, right? Look guys, this one is called the butt. This is the hard part of the goat stomach, right? I don't know what you call this in your language, right? But over here in Kolkata, you call this butt, right? So the environment, looks like this. This is right on top of the main road. So I'm gonna keep this there and try this, right? Let's try this, guys. So I finally got, the bizarre or the unique street food of Kolkata, right? Which is the chickpeas and, different parts of mutton as well as the hard part of the mutton stomach, right? So let's try the hard part of the mutton stomach, right? This one here. Cheers, guys. And let me know, will you dare to try this, right? Anyway, cheers, guys. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's very spicy, guys. Because they made this with all Indian spice, and as you can see, the chili floating, on top. It's very, very spicy. Now let's try the chickpeas as well as the different parts of mutton in it, right? Let's give it a try, guys. Cheers. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. And would you dare to try this, bizarre street food of Kolkata? You let me know in the comment. Peace guys, take care, subscribe, bye. So guys, it was only 40 rupees, right? Thank you, Bhabhi Dada. Thank you. You have a great day. Bye bye. So guys, here in India, 10 rupees, note looks like this. So I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. You have a great day. God bless. Take care, guys.